Question. So students, good morning. Please note down question number 6. Following is the record of transactions regarding purchase and sales of Mr. Vijay. So on 1/1/2019, there is an opening balance. 3/1/2019, there is a purchase. 10/1, there is a sale. 15 January purchase. 20th January sale. 25th January purchase. 28th January sale. 29th January sale. 30th January purchase. So you have to solve this problem under FIFO method. Apart from FIFO method, you have to calculate cost of goods sold for the month of January and sales and gross profit. Sales and gross profit you have to calculate. So this is the extra step. Okay. So point number B and point number C you have to solve today. This is very point number A you know very well. FIFO कैसे solve कर रहे हैं आपको पता है. But point number B and point number C you should be very careful. So dear students, I request you please note down this problem. Yeah. So students, I request you go through this problem. Now we will side by side we will solve FIFO method. We will go for FIFO method. What is the first date? 1/1/2019. There is an opening stock of 500 units at ₹30 each. So can we take as opening stock? What is the date? 1/1/2019. There is an opening stock. Correct? Please tell me opening stock kitna tha? Opening stock. Number of units. Please tell me. Number of units. 500 at the rate of rupees. Rates. 500 at the rate of rupees 30. 500 into 30, that means amount is 15,000. Any doubt? See, I want reply from everyone. So I'll be very clear that आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है. I want reply from everyone. Any doubts now? No. Next point. Purchase of 1,000 unit at ₹36. 1,000 unit at ₹36. 1,000 at ₹36. 1,000 unit purchase किया at ₹36 में third को 3/1/2019. So purchase will be taken to purchase column. This is the purchase column. Bolo. What is the number of unit? 1,000 at ₹36. Amount is 1,000 into 36. Amount will be 36,000. Is it correct? This answer has to be shown under balance column. ये balance column में दिखना चाहिए. Correct? ये balance column में दिखना चाहिए. Correct? But balance में लिखने से पहले, before taking this answer, which one should be considered first? Which one should be considered first? It should be the old one. Old answer is 500, 30, 15,000. And new purchase is 1,000. Rate is 36. Amount is 36,000. So any doubts, students? No? Next one is sale. Sale, 10th January sale, 800 unit. But rate they have given. Do you want this rate? Do you want 45? Rate चाहिए क्या? Do you want 45 rupees? Rate चाहिए क्या? No. So next date is sale. 10th Jan 2019 sale. What is the number of units sold? Sale का unit कितना है? What is the number? Sale of कितना units? 800 units. Yes. Now I need your answer. Which unit should be taken first? which unit for the sale purpose, which unit should be taken first? Is it the first in, first out, or second in, second out? ऐसा कौन सा लेना है? First in, first out, the old one. So this has to be taken first. 500 has to be taken at the rate of 30 each. 30 each. 15,000. Amount is 15,000. Is it enough? Is it enough? No. What is the extra unit you require? What is the extra unit you require? You don't want 1000. Next lot का पूरा 1000 नहीं चाहिए. What is the next unit आपको चाहिए? What is the second lot you require? So you need 800. Out of that, you have already received 500. You require only 300. So that 500 and 300 will become 800. So tell me at the rate of 36 rupees, 300 at the rate of 36 rupees. 10,800. Great. At the same time, it is our duty to write the balance column. What is the meaning of balance? Whatever the quantity gone out, deduct it. Whatever left, show it as balance. Is it correct? Yes. Now you got one balance not from the old lot but from the new lot. New lot से एक balance बचा है. बोल सकते हो क्या? What is that? New lot से 1000 से you are taken 300. देख सकते हो, देखो ये एक ही एरो लेफ्ट में भी टर्न हुआ है, राइट में भी टर्न हुआ है, मतलब एक आंसर 300 इश्यू हुआ है. द रिमेनिंग आंसर इज 700. इज इट करेक्ट? द रेट ऑफ रुपीज 36. 700 into 36, it is 25,200. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? Yes. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? 25,200. Any doubt? No. Next one. What's the next? 10th to done. 15th. There is a purchase of 1,400 units at rupees 40 each. Purchase में जाएगा. 15. 1, 2019. There is a purchase of, what is the purchase? Purchase of 1,400 at rupees 40. 1,400 units at rupees 40. Multiply करके बोलो, what is the answer? 1,400 into 40. 56,000. Yeah, great. 56,000 is the right answer. Before writing 56,000 का answer, I should write the previous answer, the old answer. इससे पहले वाला आंसर को मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा because I should respect old answer. Correct? 100 at rupees 36. Amount is 25,200. Correct, students? Is it correct? Then I should write the new one. New answer लिखना पड़ेगा. That is 1,400. The rate of rupees. The rate of rupees 40 each. 40 each. Amount is 56,000. Is it correct, students? Tell me, is it correct? 56,000 correct है क्या? मैंने old भी लिख दिया. At the same time, I have considered the new one. But FIFO method में show it separately. ठीक है? Yes. Next. 15th done. We will go to 20th one. That is sale of 2,000 unit. They have given the rate. See, this rate they have given. चाहिए क्या? Do you want rate? सेल का रेट चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स? नो, सेल का रेट कभी भी हम लोग अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट सेल का रेट वाला नंबर इन आवर बैलेंस कॉलम. सो सेल, यस, सेल खाली यूनिट ले लो. 20th. Can you tell me the, yes, number of units sold? 20th number of units sold is 2,000. Sale is units. Can you tell me, students, 2000 के लिए which one should be taken first? Which one should be taken first? Which one we have to take first? So first step is you have to take the old answer. Please tell me, that is old answer is 700. 700 at the rate of 36. Answer is 25,200. Great. Can you tell me what is required now? कितना required है वो बोल दो खाली. जो required है वही बोलो. What is required? 1,300 is required. किधर से लेंगे आप? 1,300 second lot से ले लेंगे आप. Yes, second lot. At the rate of 40 rupees. Please remember. Multiply कर सकते हो क्या? Multiply करके बोलो. 1,300 into 40 rupees, 52,000 rupees. Great. Is there any number left out? Which unit बच गया है क्या? Yes. There is a balance. There is a balance. How much? 1,400 से 1,300 आपने ले लिया. What is the balance? 100 is the balance. Correct? 100 is the balance. Is it correct? Is 40 at rupees 40 each. Is it correct? Amount 4,000. Amount 4,000. Is it correct, students? Correct. Students, is it correct? Any doubt you can ask me. कोई भी doubt रहेगा, you just ask me, is it correct? Yes, perfect. 20th के बाद next date is 25. Purchase 1,800. 25 1 2019 purchase हुआ 1,800 rupees. 38 rupees at rupees 38 each. So can you tell me the answer? 1,800 into 38 कितना होता है? 68,400 rupees. 68,400 rupees. Perfect. So can you tell me, students, which answer I should take first? Should I take the old answer first or new answer? Which one should be taken first? Old number 100 is 40. Amount is 4,000. Correct. New answer. The new answer 1,800 is the new purchase. Is 38. Amount is 68,400. Is it correct? 100 is the old. 1,800 is the new answer. Is it correct? Yes. Next one. 25 is done. 28. 28, 29 दोनों टाइम पे आपको सेल है. दोनों टाइम में आपको सेल है. Be careful. 28 का फर्स्ट लेंगे. 28/1/2019. There is a sale of how many unit? Sale of 800 units. Correct. 800 units. Which one should be taken first? Which unit should be taken first? Is it the old one? Perfect. Old one, that is 100. Yes. Then you have to take the difference. और कितना चाहिए? Old one 100 correct है. At rupees 40 each. Amount is 4,000. Then which one should be taken? We have to take 700 from the second lot. Correct. From the second lot, you have to take 700. At the rate of rupees 38. Bolo, amount 26,600. Yes, correct. Which unit is left now? Which unit is left? Second lot is left. Perfect. कितना 1800 में कितना माइनस हुआ? You have to deduct 700. Answer is 1100 unit at the rate of 38. At the rate of 38. Is it correct? 1100 at the rate of 38. Amount 41,800. Is it correct? Is it correct, students? 28 ka baad, next date is 29. There is a sale of 300 units. 29. There is a sale of 300 units. तो आपको कुछ टेंशन नहीं है because you got only one lot आराम से आप दे देंगे. So you have to give yes 300 only दे देंगे आप 300 at the rate of 38 rupees. Tell me 300 into 38. Only you require 300. Please remember only you require 300. Correct है ना? Only you require 300. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. How much? 11,400. Correct. So is there any unit left out? Unit बच गया है क्या? Of course there is a unit. कितना 1100 से 300 minus करो, it will be 800. Perfect. So 1100 से this 1100 answer से 300 गया, 800 remaining है at the rate of rupees 38. At the rate of rupees 38. So 800 into 38. What is the answer? 30,400. Perfect. Last date is 31st January. Purchase 500 at rupees 40 each. 30th na? 31st or 30th January 2019. There is a purchase. What is the purchase? 500 unit at rupees 40 each. 500 unit at rupees 40 each. Amount 20,000. Yes, 500 into 40 each, 20,000 rupees. Please tell me which answer should be taken first. Which answer you have to write first? Old answer. Perfect. That is 800 rupees, 38 each. Amount is 30,400. Next. Once this is done, you will write the new answer, new purchase. The new purchase is 500, is 40, amount is 20,000. Any doubts to anyone? Old answer पहला लिखा आपने 800, 38, 30,400. Then you have taken the new answer 500, 40, 20,000 rupees. Yes. Any doubt? No. Okay. Please tell me the total of unit left out, which is called as closing stock. Which is called as closing stock. What is the closing stock today? Closing stock. Can you tell me closing stock का number कितना है? What is closing stock? जो left out है, that is 800 plus 500, 1,300. Perfect. 1,300 is closing stock. Perfect. It's a unit में हो गया. Rupees में, rupees कितना है closing stock rupees? This is unit में हो गया. ये तो unit information है. Correct. $1,300 units. Correct. Rupees कितना है? We will write clothing stock rupees करके लिख देंगे. Clothing stock rupees 50,400. Great. So ये 2 पॉइंट आपको समझ में आ गया? एनी डाउट हियर? इसमें कुछ डाउट है क्या स्टूडेंट्स? एनी डाउट? फीफो मेथड देख लो, दिस इज द फीफो मेथड में सॉल्व करना है आपको, फीफो मेथड, ठीक है? एनी डाउट? एनी डाउट? एवरी स्टेप हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ किया. So we have answered first question, that is value of stock using FIFO method. It is done. First question we have answered. This is done. Can you see this point? This is done. First question done. Can we go to second question? Can we go to second question? Can we go to second question? Yes, students, can we go to second question? आपको देखना पड़ेगा. First answer is done. Now we are going to second question. What is the second question? Second question क्या है? Cost of goods sold for the month of January 2019. This is the second question. Goods sold. Cost of goods sold for the month of this is the second question, January 2019. B question. This is ये question ना, question number ये था, ठीक है? How to calculate cost of goods sold? You know, cost of goods sold is this total. इसको आप, yes, you have to take this answer. This is the cost of goods sold, ठीक है? This is the cost of goods sold. आपको ये जो अमाउंट कॉलम दिख रहा है ना, कैन यू सी दिस अमाउंट कॉलम? इसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. कैन यू सी दिस अमाउंट कॉलम? यस, इसको ऐड करो. 15,000 प्लस 10,800 प्लस 25,200 प्लस 52,000 प्लस 4,000 प्लस 26,000 प्लस 11,400. ये पूरा ऐड करके बोलो दिस इज द टोटल. इधर टोटल आएगा. एक बार देख लो. What you want to add? You have to add the सेल जो कॉलम है उसका अमाउंट को आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. प्लीज ऐड. कैलकुलेटर ले लो एंड ऐड करो. इफ यू वांट आई विल टेक कैलकुलेटर हियर. यस, I will take all these answer here. 15,000 plus 10,800 plus 25,200 plus 1,000 plus 4,000 plus 26,600, then 11,400. 11,400. Is it 1,45,000 students? This total is 1,45,000. Is it correct? This total is 1,45,000. Correct students? Yes, हम लोग वही कलर में मैच करेंगे. Yes, हम वही कलर में मैच करेंगे. Just 1 minute. 1,45,000 is your cost of goods sold. Please remember, your cost of goods sold is 1,45,000. ठीक है? ये जो आंसर है ये आंसर है 1,45,000. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. And if you want to, yes, आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी बोलना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, दैट इज क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वो ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट हो चुका है. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज 1,300 यूनिट्स. इधर है ना जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है. एंड रुपीस इज 50,400. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? So first question we have answered, second question we have answered. Is it correct? Is it correct? We have answered the first question. We have answered the second question. Is it correct? Can we go to third question? What is the third question? Sales and gross profit for the month of January 2019. Sales and gross profit. So sales and gross profit for the month of January 2019. Okay. Point number C. This is the calculation number C. Sales and gross profit for the month of January 2019. Okay. Now, कि कौन सा डेट को सेल हुआ वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा. यस, कितना सेल है बाय द वे स्टूडेंट, कितना सेल है? वन सेल है, ये सेल है, दिस इज सेल, दिस इज सेल. करेक्ट? कितना सेल है ऑल टुगेदर, कितना सेल हो चुका है? हाउ मेनी सेल यू कैन सी? देयर आर 4 डेट में सेल हो चुका है. 4 4 4 4. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सेल? Because they want the sale value. First sale is 10/1/2019. Can you tell me sale का यूनिट कितना है? सेल का यूनिट 800 यूनिट at ₹45. दिस इज अ सेल का रेट, बट हमने उसको अलग रेट में लिया, वो अलग बात है. वी हैव फॉलोड फीफो मेथड. हमने उसका वैल्यूएशन फीफो में किया, बट एक्चुअल सेल रेट इज ₹45. So 800 at the rate of 45. Okay. So only we have to consider sale. ठीक है? 800 at ₹45. Sale unit is 800 at ₹45. Can you multiply and tell me? ये दोनों को multiply करके बोल सकते हो कि 800 rupees into 45. What is the amount? 36,000. Perfect. Just 1 minute. Yes. Same way next का भी. This much answer is very important. Yeah. Second date. 20th January sale 2000 unit at ₹50. 20th को 2000 unit at ₹50. 2000 into 50. ये रेट कंसिडर नहीं किया तब. आर वी ऑफ वैल्यूड बेस्ड ऑन द फीफो मेथड, बट सेल रियल वैल्यू ये है 1 लाख इज द आंसर है. ग्रेट. नेक्स्ट 28 and 29 सेल. 28 का कितना? What is the sale of 28? 800 at ₹45. Is it correct? 800 at ₹45. Multiply करके बोलो. 100 into 45. What is that? 36,000. Perfect. And the last sale 29 को हुआ. Last sale 2019. What is the last sale? 300 at ₹42. 300 at ₹42. 300 into 42 rupees. Amount is 12,600. Perfect. So students, can you tell me total sales? What is the total sales? Total sales. Unit wise, what is the total sale? Total sales का unit कितना है? 800 plus 2000 plus 800 plus 300. 3,900 units. Correct. Rupees wise, what is the rupees? Rupees wise, what is the total sale? 1,84,600. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? You have answered one part of the yes calculation, that is sale is done. There is a one more question, gross profit भी calculate करना है. Sale तो हो गया, gross profit भी calculate करने के लिए बोला है. There is a one more question attached to that question. So gross profit भी करना है. Correct? Gross profit भी calculation करना है. Now how to calculate gross profit? It's very simple. From this sale, you have to less. आपको क्या less करना है पता है? Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold को आपको less करना पड़ेगा. Yes, you have to deduct cost of goods less cost of goods sold. Tell me, what is the cost of goods sold? No, purchase has nothing to do with this answer, Abhishek. This is a sale and gross profit. Purchase से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. What is the cost of goods sold, which is calculated under B answer? It is there in B. B में है already. Rupees 1,45,000. Already calculate किया है आपने. Already आपने calculate किया था. Tell me the difference. Can you tell me the difference? Difference is called as, yes, difference is called as profit. Difference is called as profit. What is gross profit? Gross profit, students. 9,600. 39,600. So this is the balancing figure. 39 is the balancing figure. Any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt? Any doubt? So एक बार देख लो. This is a FIFO method. FIFO method. Then question number A, B, C. Question number A, B, C. एक बार आपको full problem देखना है तो you can see. FIFO method तक आप देख सकते हो. FIFO method तक. Then you can see gross profit तक आप आंसर देख सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay. Much students.